But even if it's a £5 voucher, it's just something. How can I forget this one? How can I? I watched The Grinch and it was funny. The Grinch is, if you know The Grinch. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Olamide, and if you're seeing me for the very first time, welcome. This is me, this is I. Welcome to another episode of Chill with Lami, and you can see, I mean, it's not vlogmas, but I mean, it's December and we're getting closer to Christmas, and like you can already tell from the title of this video or from the thumbnail, I'm going to be talking about Christmassy stuff. I'm so sorry guys, I've been away for like 2 weeks. I'm not going to bore you with the details, it's just life that but I'm here now and I'm back, and I literally just, this is the Friday, I literally just shut my laptop, came to sit down, and just so that I don't just get lazy and then I'm just going to procrastinate. So I mean, the inspiration behind this video, because I feel like most of my videos have inspiration, right? So the inspiration behind this video was that a lot of my friends, okay, Christmas, this is your first Christmas being married, what are you going to do? And then a colleague of mine was like, oh, okay, what Christmas tradition am I going to do? Things like that. And it got me thinking, right? And I just felt like some of these ideas might be very helpful. You might find one or two things that can make Christmas much more vibey and fun and interesting for you. So yeah, that's basically the inspiration behind this video, and I thought to share. These are things that you may already know, but I'm going to say them again because I'm going to be doing some of them, not everything, but some of them. I think I've done one I think I did one of this last year, but so I'm going to be talking about like Christmas traditions that you can start either as a single person or either as a married person, or just Christmas traditions. You don't have to be married first. But I mean, these are inspirations that can help you with setting your own Christmas tradition. It could be that, okay, let me not jump. Yeah, the very first one that came to my mind is wearing Christmas jumpers. Of course. Of course, I've been saying that Christmas jumper will not pass me by this year. You know the way every year now you see like families with their Christmas. I find it really cute. And I think it's a very, very lovely Christmas tradition to actually start in your family, because everybody knows that on Christmas Day or close to Christmas, we are all getting new Christmas jumpers, and it just feels really interesting. Like it puts you in the Christmas mood. Do you understand? So yeah, that's one thing that you can do. Second thing you can do is decorate Christmas tree. My partner and I got like a Christmas tree last year, and we're going to be using the same tree again. We're just going to head over to like maybe the Christmas market. Stay tuned for the next video is going to be interesting, so you don't miss that one. We're going to go Christmas shopping to get like some Christmas stuff. I'm putting this out here now just so that in case I don't feel like vlogging, I'm going to remember that I said that I was going to vlog. So you should hold me accountable and say, Lamide, where is the Christmas shopping that you said you were going to do? I did do some Christmas shopping last week actually, and I did not vlog it because I just wanted to just go out and not hold camera really. So yeah, decorate, like put up your Christmas tree, decorate your house. Like it puts you in that Christmas mood. Yeah, I know like the reason for the season is Jesus Christ, if you're a Christian, but there's still the celebration part of it that needs to be done. Yeah, I understand that puts you in Christmas mood, blah blah blah. The reason why you're getting excited is because you're celebrating the birth of Jesus. But that's one aspect. But again, to also put yourself in that Christmas, there's just this joy. And I miss Nigeria so much, because by this time I don't even know, there's just this air there's the way the air smells when it's Christmas. I don't know if it's just me. I don't know if it's Amatan or I don't know. But when it's closer to like Christmas or December period, you already know that, oh, okay, this is Christmas. Everywhere feels cold, and I mean that's how it used to be in Nigeria, and I miss it so much. I actually do miss it. Here it's just cold. The Christmas air, I'm not feeling anything. I don't feel anything. So yeah. Put up a Christmas tree, decorate your house, and yeah, that's one way, or one like family tradition or Christmas tradition that you can start regardless of your marital status. Okay, The next one would be to give to a local food bank. I know that um Christmas in Nigeria, you know, churches do or donation and things like that. But here, you don't even have to belong to a church. I feel like it's their tradition here to actually give. So there are different and sorry, this is not only for people in the UK, wherever, like irrespective of where you are, you can make it a tradition of giving items, and it doesn't have to be used items. It can also be like food items as well. People give, there's something here that's called Operations Christmas Child, where you can give like gift boxes or give like money, and then they will help you get a box, things like that. Like you can plan to do all that by yourself. You can just find like a local food bank near you and then give to that cost. You don't have to literally wait for your church or things like, or like all of those organizations to arrange things like that. You can make a tradition that, okay, every year I'm going to give to this purpose. I'm going to look for a food bank near me to give. Like, I don't know, giving is good, and and it doesn't have to be just Christmas, but I mean a lot of people would be so happy to have something given to them or gifted to them on Christmas Day, because you know what Christmas signifies, right? So yeah, that's one. The next one is, of course, you take turns in opening like Christmas presents. You know the way where we're growing up now, you say Boxing Day, come and boxing yourself. And to be honest, that's how it was like growing up. I used to think that, I think at the point, like, what was actually Boxing Day? Like, until we grew older and like, oh, Boxing Day means when you like get to unbox your gifts. Yeah, so you know, even if you have an idea of what you're going to get your partner, or your partner already has an idea of what you're going to get, or you both have an idea of what you're going to give to each other, I feel like it would be good to like make the tradition of unboxing those gifts on the 26th of December. Like everybody already knows, you already have a Christmas tree. You're just going to like put that under the box it, wrap it up nicely and put it under the Christmas tree, and everybody knows that on the 26th everyone is going to get a gift, regardless of whether you told me or not. We're all going to get a gift. And yeah, I feel like it's a really nice tradition that me myself would like to cultivate in my home. And yeah, I think it's worth the smiles and worth like the joy and happiness. So that's one thing. The next one would be to plan a family photo shoot. So I think, yeah, plan a family. What have I said? Christmas jumper. Oh my god, I've already lost my thoughts. But anyway, Christmas photo shoots, guys. You can actually plan a Christmas photo shoot with your Christmas jumper. I mean, if you don't want to take pictures with your phone, you can take pictures with your phone. Like, you can start small. You don't have to like go to a photographer, but you can make a tradition that every Christmas we're going to like have a Christmas photo shoot. And I think it's beautiful. Like, it's something that I'll probably think of, but I think it's really beautiful. It helps you preserve those memories and see like how Christmas has evolved in your family, like over the years, in all honesty, how you guys have grown, things like that. So having a family photo shoot will be good. You can use if you have a very good phone, you can do that. If you have a ring light, that's even better. You don't have to look for a photographer. You can like use what you have. And I think, yeah, every Christmas everybody knows that, oh, we're doing a photo shoot. Like, I feel like it might be, you have to deliberately do these things, because when you start to have children, if you're not married or if you're married, blah blah blah, regardless, but down the line I feel like it becomes part and parcel of you, and it actually helps you to like cherish the moments better, because there's something to look forward to. You know that you're going to put up a tree, you know you're going to wear Christmas jumper, you know you're going to have like photo shoots, you know you're going to give, like all of these things are things that you look forward to make it even much more memorable even after Christmas, in my own opinion. If you have like family traditions that you think are worth trying or worth adding, please leave them in the comment section. Let me know what you think. It would be good to actually have your thoughts on this as well. The next one will be like, of course, I mentioned giving to a local food bank or things like that, but gifting your friends, gifting your family. I feel like that's something that I really want to do. I just need to blow. You people just need to watch my channel, watch my videos, subscribe to this channel, follow my videos, like, share, subscribe, so that I can start getting some few queens off YouTube, and I can start like doing all the generosity stuff and philanthropy stuff that I want to do But what I'm just trying to say, that was on the lighter note, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. What I'm just trying to say is that I actually deliberately want to make a culture of gifting. Not like I don't gift my friends all around the year, but like when it's Christmas, my friends already know. It's just a problem when you have so many friends. But even if it's a £5 voucher, it's just something that for me to you, I thought about you and this is it. Do you understand? Regardless of how much or how small it may be, based on what you can afford per time. But yeah, gifting your family, gifting your friends, it might be expensive, but yeah, you have to be keeping the money for beginning of the year. I don't know if you have a very large family, but I feel like it's good. These are things that we probably, I don't know about you, but many of us didn't have that luxury of receiving gifts or giving gifts growing up. And yeah, I feel like it would be good when your nephews and your nieces and your aunts, everyone already knows, your friends knows that, oh, okay, I'm going to get a gift, I'm going to exchange the gift with this person, blah blah blah. I feel like it's a really good Christmas or family tradition to have for Christmas. Is there any other thing that I'm missing? How can I forget this one? How can I watch a holiday classic together and listen to Christmas music, even if it's like the first of, is that a tradition? I think that, I don't know if people deliberately say, oh, I want to listen to Christmas music. So you can actually pair this with, okay, when we're arranging or when we're decorating our tree, we're going to put up Christmas, we're going to like listen to Christmas music, right? Or we're going to watch like a holiday classic. My partner and I, my husband and I recently watched The Grinch. Of course, it's my partner, but we recently watched The Grinch, and it was funny. The Grinch is, if you know The Grinch is probably over 19 years, I guess, and it's funny, like it's old. So you want to probably watch an holiday classic together, listen to Christmas music, this Spotify or all of these music streaming platforms, or like you can just like search for Christmas and it brings out like a Christmas playlist, which makes it easier actually. So yeah, I think that's about it. If you're based in the UK, I'm sure that you have more. My colleagues of mine told me something called an advent calendar. I don't know much about it, and that's why I'm not talking about it. Do you get? So you can probably do your research and see what more stuff you can add. And I'm really curious to know what family tradition you will be doing this year. So if you have, or if you picked up like something that you want to do from this list, please let me know. If you're going to be doing something new, please let me know as well. What else? I think that's about it. I'm done with this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I'm really so excited filming today. I'm actually very excited. But anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.